What if the universe isn't a vacuum with stuff floating in it? What if it's a stage? Not a metaphorical stage, but a real, pressurized medium I'll call the grid. Here's the hook. The stage never changes. Only our interactions on it do. That's the kinetic grid model in one line. Picture a perfectly packed crowd. The people, the nodes, never leave their spots. They never gain mass. They're massless and immutable. But the crowd is under tension. Think of the grid as the stage itself. Fixed, pressurized, ready. Built into this grid is a 2-to-1 expanse ratio. For every node in a void context, there's a pull that tries to spread the crowd out. That background tension is what we usually label the cosmological constant. So where do mass and gravity come from? Motion through the grid isn't free. It rubs. Think. Gel, not vacuum. When a pattern tries to move, the grid resists and slightly displaces. That local friction and displacement is what I experience as mass, resistance to acceleration. Now stretch that displacement through space and let it propagate, and I get what we call gravity. The same mechanical process, just traveling. Not a mysterious curvature separate from mass. Both are local versions of one thing, interaction with the grid. One mechanic, two expressions. Because the grid's baseline tension is always pulling outward, that 2-1 expanse. It supplies the gentle, persistent push we attribute to cosmic expansion. Meanwhile, wherever motion bunches the grid, I see inertial mass. Wherever that bunching ripples, I see gravity. Coherent order emerges. The stage is fixed. Patterns dance. Tension sets the stage. Friction makes mass. Waves carry gravity. Energy is how intensely patterns nudge the grid. Momentum is how persistently they keep nudging in one direction. Mass and propagating gravity aren't separate forces. They're the same choreography at different scales. So the unification statement is simple. The stage never changes, only interactions do. If I stop misidentifying the interaction, the cosmos clicks into focus. A single grid, one mechanic, many shows. This is the kinetic grid model, coherent order.